be scared, it's just Shark.
What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim your NFTs on the Stellar network, also known as the XLM blockchain. NFTs that are sent to you on Stellar are going to be called claimable balances, and this basically means that the asset will not enter your wallet until you have approved it to do so. And there's two ways that I know of how to do this. Both of them are completely fine, they're completely viable, but I'm going to show you both so you can determine which one works best for you, and so you can go about it this way when you're sent NFTs in the future. So here we are on stellarterm.com. I've logged in with my wallet, my Freighter wallet, and here I am on the main account page. To claim an NFT that's been sent to me, I'm going to click the Pending Payments tab, and here is going to be a list of all of the things that have been sent to me that I can choose to accept and bring into my wallet. You'll see that I have a bunch of different random tokens and altcoins. As you navigate the Stellar blockchain, projects are going to start to airdrop you tokens. I prefer to not claim anything that I don't know is being sent to me. So if it's an unsolicited airdrop, then I don't really claim it. I want nothing to do with it. But if I'm anticipating something, then I'm going to check this claimable balances tab, and I'm going to grab the things that I'm anticipating being sent to me. So the way you claim your NFT on Stellar Term is very simple. You just click the asset in question. Here you'll see sharkant.lightment.store, so you know it's coming from me. You'll click it, and then all I would press is claim, and then from there it would confirm that you've claimed it, and now the asset will be in your wallet. You will have the NFT you've been sent. The next option is a community made option from Fragged Reality, a member of the Stellar community, and this is called balances.lumens.space. And here you're going to log in also with your wallet. I think for now it's just Freighter, so I'm going to log in with my Freighter wallet, which is a Chrome extension that's developed by Stellar. And then I'm going to go over to the Claim tab. And here we have everything that I can claim in my wallet right now. And just like we did on Stellar Term, I'm going to click the asset that I want to claim and accept. I want to claim the free NFT. I'm going to select what I want to grab, and then I'm going to click down here, claim selected balances. You'll confirm the transaction, and then once again, the NFT will now appear in your Stellar wallet. So these are the two ways that I know of and I like for claiming these free NFTs or these airdrops that I get on the Stellar network. And hopefully this video helps you. If it does, drop me a comment, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I really don't like shilling the channel like that, but if this stuff helps you, let me know, because I'm glad to make more tutorials like this. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.